Alright, brother. Baby birds have hatched. These tiny little guys.
That Congress moves forward on passing cyber legislation, cybersecurity legislation.
Mama just flew out. She didn't like the fact that I came into work. There's 5 of them. Pretty cool. These little guys, I don't know what kind of bird they are. Kind of look like a sparrow, but they got a really long beak and a long wedge-looking tail. They're pretty cool. Ooh, I'm a little shaky.
Employees helped 2 murderers obtain power tools to break out of a maximum security prison near the Canadian border. Manhunt for their capture is underway. I'm John Trout. Citing the tamping down of rumors in the digital age, Boston officials have released video of a terror suspect shot and killed by police.
This is a large version, a zoomed-in version. It will also have a yellow circle that will show you where Mr. Rahim is during the encounter.
District Attorney Patrick Hagan supporting police claims
Little baby birdies.
was the aggressor. New allegations over bribes at the highest levels of FIFA, governing body of world soccer. If investigators find that the selection of Russia...
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let that zoom out. Show you. Just kind of on a ledge about 4 foot off the floor. Like a shelf. I didn't want to kick her out. Pretty cool.